Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a way to keep your house and office clean? You're going to love these wipes from Sani-Cloth.
These Super Sani-Cloth germicidal disposable wipes have revolutionized disinfection with its meticulous crafted formula. This has a little over 50% of active germicidal agents, which make it very effective. It maintains a neutral pH, harmonizing potency with gentleness. It is compatible with different materials and surfaces, and this is really ideal for fast-paced environments, for example, like our medical office, where we need something to be sanitized in a short period of time. As opposed to many other wipes out there in the market, these Sani-Cloths can combat up to 32 microorganisms in just 2 minutes. So it is very effective in a short period of time.
So these Sani-Cloths are very efficient, and I feel like compared to others in the market, these are still my favorite. I think you guys will like these too, but that's just my point of view.